So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And in this video, I'll talk about the GenAI Exchange Hackathon by Hack to Skill Google Cloud. So first of all, if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. So you must be aware about the GenAI Exchange program. In case you haven't checked it, you can watch these videos. Okay. Basically, here are the videos regarding the GenAI Exchange complete program, how you can lead it, how you can participate it. This is basically for the GenAI, and in this video I'm going to talk about the GenAI Exchange Hackathon, which will be starting soon. So basically 5 days ago, basically after before a week, I uploaded this video. Here I've shared a unique form where you will be able to get the limited edition invitation for the GenAI Exchange program. So here now the emails are sent, you can just check your mailbox. And even if you haven't entered the wait list, how you can participate, here is the video about it. So let's get started. So basically, you must have received this kind of email that we are pleased to officially invite you to participate in the GenAI Exchange Hackathon presented by Google Cloud and powered by Hack2Skill. So basically, the program will be launched at the Google Connect IO Bengaluru and marks the second phase. Yes, the second phase of GenAI Exchange program. And as you have filled this form, you have got this invitation. So basically, you have to click on this register now and you'll be redirected to this page basically. So here is the overview of the program. Basically, they are telling about the second phase of the GenAI Exchange program and inviting all the innovators, developers, IT practitioners, startups to leverage the cloud cutting edge technology. Now here, with the all knowledge you have got during the sessions of the GenAI Exchange Phase 1 or your personal skills, you can just try your chance to build real life world solution which can touch the lives across the nation. So here are the some criteria for who can participate. Basically, you need a team member of 1 to 5. Yes. Try to have at least 2 team members for this hackathon and your age must be 18 plus, and this hackathon is solely based on Indian participants only. So basically this will be offline hackathon. Unlike online hackathon, you have to be present in the venue. All details will be shared, no need to worry about it. And here are some exciting rewards. So why you should participate? You'll get a chance to work on real world challenges which can change and impact. Just like we have the chat GPT or whether it's perplexity, all the AI tools which we are using are a result of someone's efforts. Similarly, the basically what you use, the Twitter, all are just solutions made by people for making communication easier. So you can just work on your idea and build that solution. You can get prizes. So basically the prizes worth 40 lakhs and recognition for your innovation solution. So basically you'll be getting 40 lakhs. Now what will be the criteria they will upload, but the value of the prizes, basically there will be cash prizes also. So you'll be getting around 40 lakhs and I think it will be distributed among the top teams. So you'll discover it, no need to worry about it. Now here you'll be getting a hands-on experience and mentorship. Basically there will be, if the hackathon is there, there will be mentor, participants and judges too. So you'll get hands-on on Vertex AI, Gemini Code to build the enterprise technology. Now here there will be mentorship session. As I said, they will be led by GenAI specialists who are the experts in this field. Okay, now you can, apart from the hackathon, you'll get a chance to network with like-minded people who are passionate to make a social impact. So who can participate? As I said earlier, anyone with the knowledge, and 18, minimum age is 18. Like they have mentioned, the IT practitioners, researchers, startups, and students also. Now, the hackathon journey, basically, the hackathon journey. Here is the step by step guide. First step is the registration, second is the prototype submission, third is prototype development and mentorship, fourth is showcase day. Basically, it will be in person, like you have to just showcase your what you have built. Okay, let's see. The registration is at individual level, and then you have to just explore the problem statement and just make up from a team up to 5 members maximum. You can have 2, 3, 4, maximum limit is 5. So you have to just, if you want, you can attend the online workshops if you need any help. Now you have to just submit the prototype. First of all, brainstorm your ideas with any one of the listed problem statement. For problem statement, there will be mentors. You can just take help from there. And here, after that, you have to build your prototype using the Google Cloud's AI tools like Gemma, Gemini AI, Vertex AI, and Code Assist. And if you face any bugs or you are unable to proceed, you can just take help from the mentorships who are trained in GCP. Now we have the last phase, that is the showcase day. There you have to just showcase your what we have built, and you'll be getting exciting prizes and recognition for your rewards. So here is the total crash prize is 40 lakhs for the program. Now the timeline is here. The event started already and project submission has begun. So hurry up, you have to just register for it, and then you have to just, the problem statement will be released on 1st of August, and then there will be online workshops from 6th of August to 3rd of September. Similarly, registration will be closed on 5th of September. So make sure to register as soon as possible. I'll show you the step-by-step guide. Now project submission date closes 14 September and shortlistment will be done around 14 October. Now these are the phase. You can just view is. If you have any queries, you can just ask in 18th of August. Therefore, there will be have some email address also, you can contact them. And then 4th of November there will be announcement of top 100 teams, and then the grand finale will be 22nd of November. So these are the things. Now here are the requirements, that you have to submit a compelling vision of your solution, like what it is bringing an impact, what it will solve, how feasible it is for scalability. Now here you have to just make a functional prototype. Video or Figma won't work. You have to show how it works, how it will be working on the practical life. Now here you have to just make a working video also. You can upload an unlisted video on YouTube, adjust on Vimeo, basically 3 minutes. Basically just like you showcase your projects, you have to showcase it. Now here you have to identify the focus area, like it is related to healthcare, environment, or any other criteria. You need to just specify the category. Now here is the main thing you need to understand, the submission specifics regarding platform compatibility, functionality, and languages. So here are some FAQs, let's cover it. So it is a competition where we compete and get prizes. Who can participate? Anyone can participate. Minimum age is 18. Now what kind of projects you can build? You can build any projects related to real life problems. Now here, many of you are thinking that we are building our projects, will the platform, basically the hackathon partner, will just get the ownership of our hard work? So the answer is no. Whatever you will build, the project will remain with yourself and it's your hard work. So the progress and the project won't be used for commercialization. Now, so here they have mentioned, if you are a working professional, can you apply in the student status? So the answer is no. You can apply on based on your current status, because there may be background verification checks, like they may ask your latest details whether you are a student or not, because their price amount is very high, so you need to take care of it. Now here requirements are all covered. Now how you have to register to the hackathon? Just click on register, and here basically you have to enter your name. Okay, you have to just enter your name and then enter your email, your mobile number, date of birth, and just your location. Okay, now you have to just select your working professional details, etc., company names, all things are done. Now just type yes and just click on register now. Okay, you have to just click on register now. Just click on proceed. Now finally you have registered. Now here all things will be covered in the next video. So here is the team management. When you click on team management, you can just create your team and just write a unique name, add a logo, and just create it. Okay, so let me make a team. You can type any description, and basically there will be invite link. So you have to copy this link and just share your to teammate. Basically, you have to share the teammate. No, sorry, you have to share the URL with your teammate and they'll join it and just interact with the event. Then you can complete it. Now, another important thing is that if you have any query, I'll let you know in the comment section. Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Have a great day ahead.